So nice. Let me have a try. Mmm. Mmm. So delicious. The sweetness is just nice. And the mango tastes very natural. It smells very natural. The walnut too. Mmm. Really, really nice. Yummy. I think I can finish the whole loaf. Try it, guys. I like to eat the end of the bread. Very nice. You can't have this in any bakery. Mmm. Really nice. Best companion for tea or coffee. Really nice. Really, really nice. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share with your friends and your family. And the most important, do not forget to subscribe, okay? And click the notification bell below so that you will not miss any episode from me, okay? Bye.